Yeah, it would be really cool if we could climb down in here. Be a good place for a picnic. Well, with the water level so low. You can tell by the... Just remember though, obviously this is under dozens of feet of water in the past. So yeah, it'd have to be a seasonal thing. Yeah, this is obviously a pipe. I'm not sure if this is one of the divert tunnels. I thought the divert tunnels were a lot lower. I wonder if there's anybody I could ask what I'm looking at. The tour guys, they all had... Oh, cool, there's an open hatch on the top. See, I could just climb down there and look in the top. That's one way to find out. This is perfect because I'm staying in the shade. I got a good view. Sun behind me. Wow. What's interesting when you talk about how much this place costs, etc. Well, I mean, inflation's been so high since then, you know. Do you talk about normal dollars? Did you adjust in for inflation or what? Oh wait, is this the spillway? Dude, I think this might be the spillway for water to go over the top when the... Okay, that would make sense. Man, I'd like to come here during the flood and watch it go over here. This would be like one big waterfall then. They say by water volume, this place is, during the flood, it was almost like Niagara Falls. But, yeah. Parking area 9, huh? There we go.
We should come back.
Discover Hoover Dam. Oh, this is a cool looking little bridge. Arch bridge. Drink plenty of water. What's cool, they do have working drinking fountains around here. They're not refrigerated, but the water is still pretty cold anyway. Not really freezing cold, but it's definitely adequate to drink. I like these towers. I bet these are hollow. I want to go inside here. It's kind of nice what we're allowed to walk around here, but there's so many places that we're... Oh, whoa. I didn't even notice that tube. Dude, I wonder how safe it would be to like slide down there. Of course it comes out. Yeah, good luck getting back out. Anyway, what's that? Starting to get sunny. It was raining when I got here. Come to think of it, I should probably check the weather forecast. Make sure it's not going to snow. Actually, where I am going later today is going to be snowing, so that should be funny. Oh, cool. There's an escape ladder to get out of there. Oh, wow. I know a playground when I see one. Oh, check it out. There's a ladder on the side here. Let me go keep out. That'd be so much fun. So look it out. So here's the stupid part. So they got the huge drain up on the top, and then they got a dam there, and they got that little drain there. So I guess when it first starts spilling, they fill this up temporarily to buy them some time. I don't know. Seems kind of, I don't know. I'm sure they have their reasons. All they need now is to put some bubble bath down there, turn it into a big bathtub. They got the hatches open there. I'm curious though, when it overflows for real, are they going to seal those off or leave it like that? No public access. Darn, they read my mind. Saw me coming. Oh cool, look at this. There's like a spiral stairway here. Let me guess. I'm not allowed down there. Technically this one doesn't say keep out. Wonder, oh wow. Yeah. Oh, this isn't a spiral staircase. It goes straight down there. Oh no, I see it. It goes around that way. All right, then. What's weird? Look at this. Whoa. Holy cow. Did I mention that's a long way down? make sure my camera is tight. If I drop my camera down there, I'm going to be heartbroken. All right, here we go. Uh-oh, puddle here. I'm going to drown. Yikes. Oh, this is a good view of the dam. Here you can kind of see better how it's curved. Danger, hazardous area. Alright, I'll be quick. Public access. Bummer. Down across guardrail. You see a rock outcropping in there. It's kind of neat. Flowers just starting to bloom. There's that must be identical to what I'm next to here. Like the overflow, or what do you call it? Yeah, see, I could have parked up here. Then I wouldn't have to pay to park. Oh well. Parking area number 12. No buses. Details, details. Alright, well, there's Hoover Dam. Oh, let me pan down. So look at this. You can see through the water here. It's actually clear enough water I can see through dozens of feet. See, over there I didn't realize I could see that far because there's nothing to see. But look at all the ripples from the air currents, or wind, whatever you want to call it. So that's the old visitor center over there. Oops, excuse me. Notice all the loose rock up there still. Got a few more flowers blooming here. Ooh, not sure if this is technically desert or not. Considering how there's hardly any vegetation, it's either desert or, wow.